what's up? I hope you're all doing fine, and today I am here with a box, and this box came from Hobbycraft, and well, inside there is something in it. So I wanted to open it with you and I wanted to show you guys what's in it. So let's open it and see what's inside the box from Hobbycraft. Okay. Okay, so this is like blue stuff. I don't exactly know what it's called, but yeah, now let's see. Oh my god! So there is a glue gun, and this is gold. I saw some of these online. There's also a pink one and a black one. This is just the mini ones, but there's also bigger ones. And now we have some glue sticks. We have a gold one. We have silver. So we have a silver. Then we have just these glue sticks. And we have white colored glue sticks. And that's pretty much all that was in the box. Today I have this glue gun with me, which I am going to show you guys how to use it and if it's nice or not, because this is a mini glue gun and normally at school we use a big one, so I want to see if there's a difference or not. So let's begin. So here's the glue gun, and it's gold and it looks like it has some glitter or it's shining. So let's open this. Okay, so here's the glue gun, which is just push like this, and then the glue would come out, and it came with 2 glue sticks. They're kind of sticky. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like that or not. And here's the plug, which we're going to plug it in, and I'm going to show you this to you guys. So I want to use this, the golden glitter glue, so I can put it on this that I have made a video of. So guys, if you haven't watched it, go and check out the video after watching this. So now let's begin. So guys, I'm not going to be using this. I am going to be using this gold glitter glue, and I'm going to put on the pollen of the flowers and maybe the horn. So let's get one. This feels less sticky. So here, we're going to put this in like this. Yes, and here, this is for a grip. This, so then if you want, you can do it like this, but we don't need that. And so guys, I just read the instructions and it told me how to do it. And also the tip is really hot, so make sure not to touch it like I did, just to check if it was hot, and it is really hot. So if you want to use it, you should put on the charger, like in the plug, for 5 to 10 minutes, and then it'll start to get really hot. So now I think it's ready and it might work. So guys, you need to plug the hot glue gun and you need to put the glue stick in, and then you need to wait for 5 to 10 minutes and it'll start heating up and it'll be ready to work. So now let's try. So here, make sure to just press it lightly. You wouldn't want to do it too hard. So guys, I put some hot glue on it and I decorated it, and I think it looks really nice. And what do you guys think? It went a little dry already, some of the glue, and it's cooling down, so it isn't hot anymore. So guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, then please share and subscribe, and make sure to like this video. I'll see you all next time. Bye!